First, it's okay to miss how things used to be. Totally valid feeling. Give yourself the space to allow that to be present if it needs to. Now, the fear of wasting your summer, it's good that you know that that fear is present. So now that you've identified that fear, it's important that you still show up for your life anyway, right? Feel your fear and show up for an amazing summer anyway. Yeah, it might be there. There might be a voice saying, I'm not gonna do as much as I could, but what can you do? What action steps are available to you? What are those core feelings that you want to feel this summer? And what are the actions, what are the activities that also support you to feel that way? When you get really clear on what you want to feel, then we get to be really creative about all the alternative ways that we can still go about feeling that way, even if our options are perhaps different than they have been in the past. There's still so much you can do, so just take it one step at a time.